In this video, you'll learn best update about Ripple, Bitcoin, and other top coins. I will show you plans where you can get out on Ripple. Also, I will show you accurate entry idea on Bitcoin and other instruments like Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, and other one. And we're starting right now. My friends, my name is Yuri. I'm top author on TradingView, and at this moment, I ask you to push like, subscribe to support our project because that's the best thank you which you can do to us. Okay, as you can see, a few minutes ago, I published a post about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin with huge possibility will break it. First, I will do update about Ripple, and second would be Bitcoin. Okay, about Ripple. My friends, I think you remember that for many days ago, I told you open a breakout on Ripple. Take a look. Few days ago, I also, inside in our VIP room, as you can see, I sent this signal on Ripple. When I told you our people, take a look at the moment of breakout. As you can see, Ripple, I told you buy it when price was at 0.90 cents. And at this moment, take a look. That idea I had updated on TradingView, and take a look what's going on at this moment. They exactly broke that range area as I told here, and take a look how Ripple rose up. At this moment, what should you remember? That Ripple originally rose up a lot since my original entry point. As you remember, first time I told to buy Ripple when price was at 0.50 cents at this trend line breakout. And take a look what's going on at this moment, my friend. As you can see, Ripple rose up more than 161%. It is huge profit, and at this moment, what I recommend you to do, my friend, if you bought Ripple, especially at the bottom, as I told you, at this moment, close minimum half, because yes, I do believe that Ripple can hit its previous all-time high. Yes, I think it's possible, but at this moment, as you can see, Ripple came back to first powerful key level. It is high on Binance. As you can see, they bounced it from their high on Binance. And at this moment, my friend, I recommend you to close at least 60-70% of your position, because globally, yes, I do believe that globally Ripple have possibility to rose up for like for even to its all-time high. Yes, I do believe that Ripple can hit its all-time high, but remember that there would be pullbacks. Price never rise up only into one direction without any good pullbacks. That's why at this moment close 50-60% of your original positions that you open at 0.55 and hold it, because the huge possibility as the possibility that price will rise up to this key level. Why I told you to close part? If I tell you that I do believe that price can rose up so much to this key level, because my friends, major problem that you don't know for 100% sure will that happen or not. But if that won't happen, you already book huge profit. If that happen, you like you have another part of position and you still make money. That's why at this moment, if you want to be inside in our VIP room and get such best updates fastest as any other people, first what you need to do, below this video there would be a link. You should write here on our free Discord. You can read our testimonials, and my friends, you can read many people made huge money being inside in our VIP room. And for all of you, I recommend you to be inside. And as you can see, first our entry on Ripple was at 0.60. Okay, next part about Bitcoin. At this moment, as you can see, I just sent alert inside into our VIP room. Take a look. Inside in our VIP room, I told I bought Bitcoin. By the way, I just bought Bitcoin at 59,600, and that's my stop loss, and I would keep it because finally Bitcoin showed to me good, beautiful entry point. To be honest, I waited for this pattern for many days because price were inside in this range for nearly whole month, and at this moment finally it broken. Finally. And at this moment finally I wait because the possibility that Bitcoin can rise up even to 80,000, because after such accumulation I do believe that it's possible. And also Another reason, my friends, why I do believe that Bitcoin with huge possibility can rise up. As you can see, this data which I sent to our VPRO members, take a look. At first, miners stopped selling their Bitcoins, as you can see. Miners started accumulating their net positions on Bitcoins. Also, take a look what's going on. Bitcoin systematically, people systematically withdraw Bitcoin from exchanges. As you can see, example for you on Coinbase, it is biggest exchange by balance of Bitcoins on their accounts. And take a look what's going on. As you can see, Bitcoins dramatically withdraw. Take a look on another data which really important. Take a look, all exchanges all together. As you can see, all exchanges since last year, they lost 616,000 Bitcoins, 28% of all supply. That's a real, take a look here. That's all supply of Bitcoin and which that were withdrawn from exchanges. Also, my friends, another important data which I would like to share with you. After that, you would understand that at this moment, it is with huge possibility there could be a continue of powerful movement. Okay. It was the last one. Apology. Okay. This one, as you can see, price, it is supply hold, it is wealth transfer between those that hold Bitcoin for big period of time and those that hold Bitcoin for short period of time. As you can see, trend last time changed only when people that hold Bitcoin for big period of time, they sold to new people huge amount of Bitcoins. As you can see, still we have a lot of room for movement. Only after that there could be some trend change. That's why. Let's come back to technical analysis. As you can see, I open entry point, my stop loss here below this low. If price will hit my stop loss, if there would be a good entry point, I will open it again. But with huge possibility, my friends, Bitcoin can rise up a lot. At this moment, you should push like and you should write your comment what you think about these two instruments. Write questions, I promise I will reply. Okay, come back to Cardano. As you can see, my friend, Cardano's inside in this range, and for Cardano, what I would wait, because Cardano at this moment, I would wait for some good and accurate pattern, because as you can see, Cardano completely inside in this range, in this triangle. And my friend, wait for something clear. For example, like here, take a look. Price create key level. As you can see, fake out down, and after that they broke trend line. Here, as you can see, there's so many space to this trend line up. That's why if price will come back to this trend line, will create squeezing, I will start thinking about up price. Only after that, that's possible, because until price inside in this range, it is not wise even to think about any entry, because price can be in such range for month. As you can see, Bitcoin inside in this range since 13 March, and at this moment 11th of April. As you can see, this instrument also can be inside in that place for big period of time. The next one about BNB. My dear friend, about BNB, I think you remember when I told to buy BNB. Take a look. I told here, take a look about BNB, that price will start skyrocketing. Take a look here. My idea on BNB, that's the reason, by the way, why you should subscribe on our YouTube channel and TradingView and Telegram. There would be a link on my Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe, because you will get update about the most important and the most interesting trading plans and instruments. Subscribe right now and take a look what's going on. BNB explode, and at this moment, some of you would ask me what to do. At this moment, my friend, there's nothing to do, because you should be if you would be inside in our VIP room, you would open buy on BNB. Take a look. I told to buy BNB. Our VIP room members, when price were where is it, was BNB relevant. BNB, my friends. Where is it? BNB. Maybe it's better to just search. I just want to share with you my trade on BNB, and you would understand how at what entry point we took it. Take a look. CTK, ZAC, GRT, Uni, Sushi, BNB. Take a look. That's all my trades on BNB. First entry, as you can see, were at 280. After that, I added, and close my first trade here. After that, to be honest, I didn't open a trade because I wasn't lucky, but as you can see, all my trades, I took all my trades and closed it here. And at this moment, price rose up so much, and if you would be inside in our VIP room, you also would trade this key level and trend line breakout. At this moment, I still believe that there could be some impulse up, but my friends, I personally think that if you open by here, it is time to get out. Price gave to you so much, so big profit. As you can see, price gave to you 70% of profit, close at least 50%, because remember, when there would be culmination, like end of the up price, there would be sharp up and there would be sharp down. That's why when there would be any sharp candle with 300 400% of ATR, like here, take a look, ATR were at 600%, take a look, percent of ATR, average true range. By the way, on our YouTube channel, we have a lesson about what's ATR. And take a look, when ATR would be 600%, that would be a signal that party is over and you should get out. And when price will finish its movement, no one knows. It could be even like at 600, it's at 1000 USD. That's why here, close part, if you bought, as I told, close part and enjoy the party. Okay, the next one, it is about Dogecoin. Dogecoin finally broke trend line, and technically at this moment, the possibility for uprise, as you can see. Dogecoin, my friends. What does it mean? This uprise, this breakout. If this breakout true, there could be uprise even to previous all-time high. I know that many of you would told me that Yuri, you told that Doge would drop a lot. To be honest, after when this bull market will finish, I do believe in that still. But in short term, as you can see, they built this pattern, they made this fake out, and after that they broke it, closed the ball, and that's the reason why at this moment I do believe that Doge can make a movement. Okay, Link and Litecoin. First, about Litecoin, my friends, I told to buy Litecoin. Take a look, where is Litecoin? I told to buy Litecoin inside in our VIP room. As you can see, where it was Litecoin CHR. As you can see, a Litecoin. I told to buy it when price was at 218 USD, and at this moment it is 261. And if you would be inside, your entry point would be at this moment risk reward 1 to 5. What I can tell you, my friend, price just rising up, and at this moment you should hold it and follow the price. That's all. Because how far it will rise up, no one knows. And what I recommend to our VIP Pro members, as always, close part. At this moment, price broke all-time high, and I recommend you to close at least part of position. If price will come back and will continue uprise and will give you 1 to 7 risk reward, I recommend you to close altogether at least 70% here. And after that, enjoy. Maybe there would be sharp finish, and there would be even 300, like 340. Here I will close all positions. That's all. Okay, about Link. Link also broke this trend line, and at this moment, my friends, only if there would be retest, it's good to open a position, or if you bought position, as I told you, at trend line, I recommend you to keep it and hold it. Okay, my friends, we should finish our analysis. Remember to subscribe on our Telegram channel. We have free Discord, and join VIP Room if you want to make such results like we do. You just need to join our VIP Room. Thank you for your time. Bye.